Hi.
Hi Bhavi, have a seat. How are you? कैसा आना हुआ?
Fine, Ray. Tomorrow is my little angel's birthday. She's turning 5. You have to come definitely. We are arranging a party. It's dinner.
Wow, that's lovely. I'll really try to join you guys, but let's go for coffee first.
No, not now. I have to leave. I have to get a gold chain for my daughter.
Okay.
1 second. Hello? Okay. Is it so? Please take care of her. Please give her some milk. I will be back soon.
Hey, all okay?
No, Ray. My daughter has returned from the school all of a sudden due to giddiness.
Okay.
It has been happening since few months.
Is she having proper amount of food?
Yes, of course, she eats well. I give all of her favorite food.
Did you get her routine checkup done?
Is it necessary?
Why not?
I give her all of her favorite food like pizzas, burgers.
Is it nutritious? Let's invest more in nutrients than in gold because your child is more important.
सोना सोना तू करती पर सोना क्या जाने तेरा मोल राखों में तेरी लोहा हो तो तू हो जाए अनमोल तेरी मिट्टी में है लोहा तेरी लहू में है लोहा ओ बुड्ढी लोहा चख ले ओ हीरे ये लोहा चख ले लोहा चख ले सोना बन जा अपना ही तो गहना बन जा लोहा चख ले सोना बन जा अपना ही तो गहना बन जा ओ बुड्ढी लोहा चख ले ओ हीरे ये लोहा चख ले ओ जुगड़े लोहा चख ले
The WHO defines anemia as a condition in which the number of red blood cells or their oxygen carrying capacity is insufficient to meet physiological needs. Iron deficiency is the most common cause of anemia. A large number of children in India are anemic. Vulnerable groups are children 6 months to 9 years of age, adolescent boys and girls, women of reproductive age, pregnant women, and lactating mothers.
In 2018, the Government of India launched Anemia Mukt Bharat as part of intensified National Iron Plus Initiative program for accelerating the annual decline of anemia from 1 to 3 percentage points. Ministry of Health and Family has also launched weekly iron and folic acid supplementation program to meet the challenge of high prevalence and incidence of anemia among adolescent boys and girls. Other programs introduced include Integrated Child Development Scheme, National Nutrition Anemia Control Program to combat anemia. Broader health strategy is required to effectively address the issue of anemia. There is also a need to bridge the gap between policy and practice. The mother's health needs to be addressed as anemia in mothers and premature delivery can also lead to childhood anemia. In addition to maternal influence on childhood anemia, paternal and overall household influences need to be considered for a more comprehensive policy framework for intervention at the household level. Maternal education increases the chances of mothers being aware of different health issues and thus taking corrective steps. There is a study that suggests a large number of children in poor households are anemic, though the situation in rich households is also not that well. There exists an inverse relationship between the age of mothers and incidence of anemia in children. The children of younger mothers are more anemic.
58.5% of children below 5 years of age in India are anemic. 1 out of 2 women in India suffer from anemia. 23% of Indian men are anemic.